How to remove stains from butcher block. Have you ever wondered how to keep your butcher block looking fresh and clean, especially after preparing wild game? Stains can be a common issue, but there are effective ways to tackle them. Let's break down some simple methods to restore your butcher block without damaging the wood. Start with the least invasive approach. For light stains, sprinkle kosher salt or table salt over the affected area. Use a damp sponge or paper towel to gently rub the salt into the wood, always following the grain. This technique helps lift surface stains without harming the wood fibers. After a few minutes of rubbing, wipe the area clean. This method works best for fresh or minor stains. If you encounter more stubborn stains, try making a paste with baking soda and a small amount of water. Apply this paste to the stained area and scrub gently with a wet sponge or abrasive pad, again following the grain. Allow the paste to sit for at least 1 minute to lift the stain effectively. After scrubbing, rinse the area thoroughly with warm water and mild soap, then dry it with a cloth. Let the butcher block air dry completely. For persistent stains, hydrogen peroxide can be a helpful solution. Apply it directly to the stain using a cotton swab or cloth and let it sit for a few minutes. You can also use lemon juice for its natural bleaching properties. After treatment, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth to remove any residue. These natural oxidizers are particularly effective against organic stains like fruit juice or blood. If stains have penetrated deeply into the wood, sanding may be necessary. Start with a finer grit sandpaper, around 150 grit, and sand gently along the grain to avoid scratches. If the stain remains, you can move to coarser grit such as 100 or 80 grit. Be careful to sand only enough to remove the stain without excessively thinning the butcher block surface. After sanding, clean off any dust and re-oil the surface to protect the wood. After any cleaning or sanding, it is essential to restore the butcher block's protective finish. Use food-safe mineral oil or a butcher block conditioner to nourish the wood, prevent drying, and maintain its durability. In survival situations, these methods utilize common, non-toxic materials that are easy to find or carry. Keeping your butcher block clean and stain-free is vital when preparing wild game to avoid contamination and ensure hygiene. Regular maintenance and prompt stain removal will help extend the life of your butcher block and provide a safe food preparation surface.